Hi, I'm John, and this is JC Shop Notes. Today, I replaced the batteries in my Trend Air Shield. This is my Air Shield. I've had it for several years. The batteries no longer keep a charge for more than about 10 minutes. So, it's time to replace the battery pack. I looked online for replacements and found they cost anywhere from $70 to about $80. That seemed just a little bit expensive to me. I did some searching on the internet and I found several tutorials online on how to replace the batteries yourself. I can solder a bit, I can follow instructions, so I thought I'd give it a try. You can open the tabs on the shield to get to the battery pack on the inside. This is the battery pack from inside the helmet, front and back views. The case is easy to open, just click the little tabs with a screwdriver. This is the battery pack when it's opened. This is with the covering removed from the batteries. The white thing is a thermistor. It's used as a temperature sensor while charging. This is the bottom view of the wiring. This is the top view of the wiring. Before I started taking everything apart, I made notes and a diagram on the wiring so I could put everything back together the way it came. This is one of the batteries with the covering removed. There's no indications on the battery for voltage or manufacturer, etc. This is a replacement battery I found referenced online. I have details about the battery and information where you can get it at the end of the video. I put the 3 batteries in a vise to hold them while I was working. I added some hot glue to keep everything together. This is the battery pack with everything soldered back in place. I wrapped it in electrical tape and put the case back together. I plugged it in and all works great. So with a little bit of time, a little soldering, and $20 worth of batteries, I have the Air Shield up and working again. Thanks for watching.